morning energy. Let's begin. Mountain pose improves posture and balance. Stand tall, ground your feet, relax the shoulders, and breathe deeply, feeling strength and stability. Upward salute stretches the body upward, opening the chest and shoulders. Reach your arms to the sky, lengthen the spine, and breathe deeply, feeling lightness and energy. Standing forward fold stretches the spine, hamstrings and back. Hinge at the hips. Let your head relax and breathe slowly, releasing tension with each exhale. Half lift lengthens the spine and prepares the body for forward folds. Keep your back flat, hands on shins, and breathe steadily, feeling space and energy. Plank pose builds strength in the core, arms and shoulders. Keep your body in one line. Engage the muscles and breathe steadily, feeling power and stability. Four-limb staff pose strengthens the arms, chest, and core. Keep your body straight. Bend the elbows close to the ribs, and breathe steadily with control. Cobra pose strengthens the back and opens the chest. Press your palms into the mat. Lift your chest gently and breathe deeply, feeling space and energy. Downward facing dog stretches the spine, hamstrings and shoulders. Press your hands firmly, lift the hips up and breathe deeply, feeling strength and release. Low lunge opens the hips and stretches the legs. Keep the front knee over the ankle. Sink the hips gently and breathe slowly, feeling space and balance. Low lunge stretches the hips and legs. Sink gently into the pose. Keep the chest open and breathe steadily, feeling balance and energy. Warrior Eye strengthens the legs, opens the chest, and builds focus. Keep the front knee bent, arms reaching overhead, and breathe steadily, feeling power and stability. Warrior Eye strengthens the legs and core. Bend the front knee, lift the arms overhead, and breathe steadily, feeling grounded and strong. Warrior Eye strengthens the legs and core while improving focus. Bend the front knee, extend the arms wide, and breathe steadily, feeling grounded and balanced. Warrior Eye builds strength and balance. Bend the front knee, stretch the arms wide, and breathe deeply, feeling stability and focus. Triangle pose stretches the sides of the body and opens the chest. Keep the legs strong, reach one arm up and the other down, and breathe steadily, feeling balance in space. Triangle pose opens the chest and stretches the sides. Keep your legs strong, extend the arms, and breathe deeply, feeling balance and energy. Chair pose strengthens the legs and core. Bend the knees, lift the arms overhead, and breathe steadily, feeling focus and energy. Standing side stretch lengthens the sides of the body and opens the ribs. Reach one arm overhead, lean gently to the side, and breathe deeply, feeling space and energy. Standing side stretch opens the ribs and lengthens the sides. Reach one arm overhead, lean gently, and breathe steadily, feeling space and energy. Standing back bend opens the chest and stretches the front of the body. Lift your chest gently, extend the arms back, and breathe slowly, feeling openness and energy.